What's up, guys? I'm out here hunting today. I don't know if you can tell, but they want a car, so you can tell how close I am to civilization. There's a house right there, and I'm just over in this little patch of woods. This is it produced last time I was here, and it's almost produced today. So we'll keep looking. I'm with my Red Ryder and Big Cat Whisper Camo, and we'll see if this produces. Alright, here's the only kill of the day. My sister got it. Probably add this.
With my 880.
Yeah, with her Powerline 880.
And some Premier Crossman pellets.
Some pointed pellets.
And I shot it in the neck.
She shot it in the neck. Actually, shot
right
it right
there,
behind,
yeah.
right behind the eyeball. Let me get a close up of that. Right behind me. Right behind the eyeballs. So, what do you think?
I shot it literally out of the tree right behind her house, so. Yeah.
Is it very good?
Yes, it's very good.
You lie?
Now I gotta go wash its skin.
Yeah, she shot it out of...
The top of that tree.
Which tree? This tree? Right where? Oh yeah, up there. Look at it.
I wanna open
Self, right
Okay.
there.
Bye bye, birdie.
Okay. Tell it bye-bye. Bye-bye, birdie.
We'll probably see it for the next 2 years.
No, well, one of the neighborhood cats will come get it. Alright. Outro, Natalie.